Offered for sale is a 2022 Chevrolet Express G2500 Cargo van, a highly desirable commercial work van equipped with a professionally installed shelving package and bulkhead divider, making it an ideal turnkey solution for contractors, electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, telecommunications companies, locksmiths, mobile service providers, and fleet operators. The Chevrolet Express continues to be one of the most trusted commercial vans in North America thanks to its proven reliability, simple maintenance requirements, strong resale value, and durable body-on-frame construction. This particular unit stands out with exceptionally low mileage, a one-owner history, and a work-ready interior setup that allows the next owner to put it directly into service. Powered by GM's dependable Ecotec 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine, producing 276 horsepower, and paired with a smooth-shifting GM 8L908-speed automatic transmission, this Express delivers excellent performance for both city driving and highway use. The 4.3-liter V6 platform has earned an outstanding reputation among commercial fleets for its durability, longevity, and low operating costs. The drivetrain features a limited-slip differential that enhances traction and stability, while the 31-gallon fuel tank provides excellent range for route service, deliveries, and daily commercial operations. Built on a Class II commercial chassis with an 8,600-pound GVWR, this Express features a 4x2 drivetrain, spring suspension, hydraulic brakes, single rear axle configuration, and a 135-inch wheelbase that provides a comfortable balance of maneuverability and payload capability. The chassis is supported by a 4,100-pound front axle rating and a 5,360-pound rear axle rating, allowing it to confidently handle tools, equipment, parts inventory, and supplies. All-steel wheels further enhance durability and dependability in demanding work environments. The cargo area is configured with rear privacy barn doors and a curbside access door for convenient loading and unloading. Unlike a standard cargo van, this unit is already equipped with interior shelving and a bulkhead divider, creating an organized mobile workspace that improves efficiency while keeping tools and inventory secure. The bulkhead divider separates the cab from the cargo area, helping reduce noise while improving climate control and driver comfort. This setup makes the van particularly attractive for service professionals who require organized storage and immediate accessibility to equipment throughout the workday. Finished in white with a gray interior, the van presents professionally and includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks for driver comfort and convenience. With only 24,909 miles and approximately 2,247 operating hours, this Express remains exceptionally clean and lightly used. Notes indicate this is a one-owner vehicle, and its combination of low mileage, shelving package, bulkhead divider, proven V6 powertrain, and commercial-grade construction makes it an outstanding value for any business seeking a ready-to-work cargo van.